Today I will introduce a special machine to you. This machine, if we just look at the outside, it's just like the normal machine. But in fact, it's a little different. This customer, they want to use the machine to cut and engrave marbles and granite, and of course some metals, just like the aluminium and copper, something like that. So this will request the machine structure is very heavy and the spindle special. So we designed this machine for the customer. Now you follow me. Follow me. Here is our cabinet. This is a cabinet. You put the computer here. This is a cabinet. Now if we back to the machine body here, you can see the three axes, the X, the Y, the Z, they are all dust proof. So that means no matter what materials, when you work with the machine, the dust, the chips will be avoided by the dust proof. It can protect the linear guide racks inside to prolong the life of the machine. And here we have the water tank. You can see the water tank. Here is the oil mist. Oil mist can water spray there. Then the water will be here. You see this spindle. This spindle is very special. It is 11 kilowatts water cooling spindle. 11 kilowatts. So it's special. It's special for the metal working, like the aluminum, copper, and also, of course, for the marbles, granite working very well. This is the BT40 models. BT40, 11 kilowatts. It is auto tool changer. We can see here. We put the buttons there. When you change the tools, just press this button. Then the machine will change the tools. Here, that is the tool sensor. Okay, next to my company logo. If we back to the machine body, you can see here. This machine, this is the motor and the reducer inside, not the belt transmission, but the reducer. You can see that's the proof, right? We did a very great design. And here, this is the tubes, water tubes. If the water is full, then the water will be follow out from these tubes. Here is the oil lubrication for the linear guide. Every day, when you open the machine, just press 1 or 2 times for the machine. That's enough.